All right, good morning. So what we're going to do today is we are going to take it another level when we talk about simplifying square roots of exponents. So just a small little step back here. When we worked with the square root of n to the sixth, remember that all we essentially did is we asked you what is half of this number? And obviously half of 6 is going to be 3, so the answer is n to the third. The square root of n to the fourth, well, what is half of 4? Is 2, so the answer is n squared. The square root of x to the eighth, well, what is half of 8? Is going to be 4, okay? So if you take a look at all of these, you notice that they're all even numbers. So what we're going to do now is we're going to kind of transfer to be where when the number under the square root tree is going to be an odd number. So let's do this. So let's just say what we have is the square root of x to the seventh. Well, here's what I'm going to do. I ask myself, what is the biggest even number that fits in the exponents? So if I've got 7, well, what's the biggest even number that fits in 7? It's going to be 6. So I can take the square roots of x to the seventh and I can break it down to be x to the sixth. And then if I've used up 6 of those 7 x's, I still have 1 left. Well, look at this. I've got an even number. So what's half of x to the sixth? X cubed. So my answer, that's not right. So my answer is going to be x cubed, and I bring down square root x, and I'm done. That's it. So, what if we had, let's just go with the square root of y to the ninth. Well, what's the biggest even number that lives inside 9? That's going to be 8. So I have the square root of y to the eighth. If I've used up 8 of those 9, I have 1 more left. Well, what's half of this 8 is 4. So I've got y to the fourth, square root y, done. That's it. Okay, and let's continue. Let's go with the square roots of n to the fifth. The process, it stays the exact same, friends. What's the biggest even number that lives inside 5? That's going to be 4. So I've got the square root of n to the fourth, and I've got 1 more left over. What's half of 4 is 2, so it's n squared. I'm always going to bring down this square root n, and that is it, my friends, okay? So I've got this video. I'm going to ask you 3 questions on a quiz today to see how we're doing on this, okay? All right. Hope you guys are doing great and well. Hope you enjoyed May the 4th. I may or may not have The Empire Strikes Back playing right now in my living room, but who knows, right? Hey, have a great day, friends, and we'll see you later. All right, bye.